Good morning, good morning. It is absolutely glorious this morning. It's just after 9 o'clock. Must be about 9:05, 9:10 now. I've just left the car park. Just back there a couple of minutes. And today I'm out to bag a Corbett, which overlooks, or it's just next to the Cruachan range, just at Loch Awe on the road to Oban. As I say there, it's beautiful blue skies, it's absolutely glorious. So it should be a cracking day. I left the house this morning at a couple of minutes to 6 and I stopped at the Green Welly for a cup of tea and a rolled sausage on the way here. Aye, so it should be a brilliant day. The sun's out and out. Aye, so I can't remember the name of, or I can't pronounce the Corbett. But stick with me, should be a cracking day. Stunning, it feels great to be back out. I feel like I've not been out for ages, especially in this great weather. So yes, I'm super excited, buzzing for this. Should be amazing views as well, overlooking the Cruachan horseshoe. Brilliant, right, here we go. Oh, and I forgot to say, I've got my new hiking boots on, La Sportiva, Equilibrium I think they're called. So, just out the box and obviously just on from the car there, and they feel very comfortable, so that's hopefully a good sign. Let's hope at the end of the day I'm not complaining about blisters. So yes, right out the box, they feel super comfy. A good grip on them as well, a good sole. As you can see, it's getting, or I'm getting very warm now. It's getting hot. So, pure blue skies, beautiful. This is where I'm heading. Up there, following the ridge along. And then that's where I'm heading. That's the Corbett summit up there. A couple of wee bits of snow on it. That's the plant. Right, let's keep continuing up the hill just now. Oh, that's the first part, the first initial climb done. I'm at this section. I'm heading up there and then along the ridge. Cracking views and as it is, wait, it's going to be light up the top. Stunning. Right, time to crack on, next section. Right, that's where we're heading now, up that section. We'll get a bit steeper as we get further on. What a day. Right, here we go. Oh there, so that's me up onto the final ridge. So at this point here, you think this is you at the summit, but when you check the route description, it tells you the highest point, top of the Corbett's further along the ridge. So that's where I'm heading along there. But look at the views. Oh, right along Loch Awe. My wee dad and my brother's favourite place on earth. They love it up here with their wee fishing boat. Oh. Loch Awe looking absolutely amazing today. You really see the length of it when you're up here. Obviously before I've been doing it in my dad's boat and you don't appreciate how long it is. But absolutely massive when you see it from here. Right, on to this next summit, or the top of this Corbett, further along the ridge. Let's go, let's do it. Yes, that's me at the summit of the Corbett. I'm looking forward to getting a wee rest, a wee sit down, and my tub of pasta and a wee drink. Quite hungry now. Let me check the time. I think I started at 9:05. That is 12 exactly. So yes, not bad, 3 hours. Right, time to get my lunch, maybe get a layer on. There's a wee cold wind, cause I'll cool down probably now if I sit down and stop, so I'll need to get something on, get a wee heat. Right, cheers, a new time for my pasta. Whoa! Check the views. Look at that. Ah, I don't believe that. I've left the pasta in the fridge. I lifted the spoon and everything. Just as well I brought a banana. My wee bag of Haribo sweeties. Can't believe it. I was looking forward to the pasta as well. There's a spoon. Oh, I've left it in the fridge. Got up at 5:30 this morning, so I must have been still half asleep. I left the stuff out on the kitchen worktop next to the fridge, just to get into the fridge to get the pasta, and I forgot it. Ah! Thank God I've got the banana and the sweeties. What a dumpling. Right, I'm going to have a banana. Second prize, third prize, the sweeties. Ah! Right. So that's me been up here an hour already. I got here just at 12 and it's now a couple of minutes to 1. So I've had my banana, my bag of sweeties, I've had a wee play about with the drone, and my hands are quite cold now. Aye, so 1 o'clock now. So that's 2 batteries I've used with the drone. So I've got 1 left, but as I say, my hands are a bit cold. It's 1 o'clock and I think I'll start heading back, because no matter what time it takes me, I'm going to hit bad traffic at the motorway when you come out of the Erskine Bridge, and probably traffic as well coming along the side of Loch Lomond. So no matter what time of day it is, I'm going to hit traffic. So 1 o'clock, give you a last wee look. What a glorious day. Brilliant, quick hour there. Right, I'm going to turn the camera off again and grab my rucksack and start making my way back to that other wee summit over there. Right, see you soon. Aye, sorry, before obviously I start heading back along this ridge, I've walked out the edge a wee bit because I keep obviously showing you the scenery in the mountains. But what I forgot to mention was that's the Ben Cruachan route of Monroe's. There's the Cruachan reservoir down there. That's obviously a fantastic hill walk in its own right. 4 Monroe's there. There's it 2? Can't remember now. No, there's 4. Because the first time I done it, I done the 2 over that side. Couldn't continue the ridge and had to come back for the 2 at a later date. And then I think it was last year I came back and done the full route in the 1 day. So I've got a video up for that if you ever want to check it out. But that is the Ben Cruachan Monroe's there, the reservoir. Brilliant to see it in all its glory on a day like today. And when you come off the last Monroe, usually nobody bothers with this. They just do the Monroes down to that Beelac and then head down towards the reservoir. That's it down there. Right, back up to the wee summit, get my rucksack, maybe take this jacket off now that I'm going to start moving again. Right, cheers now. Right, that's 20 to 2 and I'm still no heading down yet. It's just glorious up here now. Brilliant. Absolutely gutted. I'm back on shift tomorrow at work. I could have brought the camping gear. What a camp it would have been as well. Loch Awe's just stunning if you're up here. The fishing season will be starting soon. My dad and my brother will be up here, cruising up and down Loch Awe on the wee fishing boat. You get days like today, it's brilliant. Look at the length of it. Just cruising up and down there all day with the fishing rods out. Right, 20 to 2 this time. Rucksack's back on. Time to start heading back. Cheers and out. I never noticed this on the way up. I must have been over there a wee bit. So I've seen it on the way back down, so I thought I'd come out and get a wee visit. And you obviously get a great view right down Loch Awe here as well. What a day this is, what a day, brilliant! The only minus was forgetting the pasta, so guess what I'm having for lunch tomorrow at work? Pasta! Right, let's keep going. Yes, that's me off the hillside. That's a knee crunching finished for that section. Coming down there is quite steep. A bit slippy as well because all the grass underneath is all soaking. So exactly 3 o'clock. Minute past 3. Oh, back onto the path for the walk out. So hello there, this is me obviously coming to the end of another fantastic day in the hills. It's been absolutely brilliant. What a day it's been. As I said earlier, the only downside was the forgetting of the pasta, but everything else has been brilliant. Just one of the cracking days, the weather, blue skies. So I've been working obviously as well at my fitness in the gym with the Stairmaster and 10 kilograms on my back, so that's definitely helped. My legs obviously, you take a wee pounding coming down the hills there, but I definitely feel the benefits of using the Stairmaster recently. I've been trying to go once a week to the gym, doing an hour, 4 15-minute blocks on the Stairmaster with the 10 kilograms. So aye, definitely helped. Been a brilliant day, as I says. I'm not far from the car, so I'm going to go to the Green Welly at Tyndrum, get a cup of tea, some chocolate, and just enjoy the journey home. I'll try and not let anything spoil it, that M8 traffic, Loch Lomond traffic, so I'll just try and continue having a great day and just put the music or the radio on in the car and just relax and just don't let anybody or any of the traffic bloody annoy me. So once again, it's been a brilliant day and hopefully we get a nice summer, we can get out more often. And obviously, as usual, if you've watched my video or any of my other previous videos, thanks very much. Fantastic. Right, okay, cheerio on, thanks very much again, cheers. Remember folks, if you enjoyed this video, please like, leave a comment and subscribe. Thank you. More videos coming soon.
That's all, folks.